As you can tell, nothing's different with Rachel. I'm on my break again. And she's being the same way she always is. Aren't you? Aren't you? Mm-hmm. I know. I know. Yeah. I know. I know. Uh-huh. I know. Never ends. Normally she's talkative, but not as talkative and quite this bad. It's only whenever I go to work and then I come home for the first time. She thinks it's Rachel time, don't you? The second I stop petting you. Yeah. Rachel's still doing well, though. Still sleeping during the day when I'm at work, and then she'll wait for me and bombard me whenever I come home each time, and sleeps whenever I sleep. Gets on the computer desk when I'm on the computer, or lays down by my feet. No, yeah.